Hey everyone, welcome to Chai and Faith. Today I am going to be planning in my Happy Planner vertical weekly spread and for March 7th through March 13th. So we're getting so close to spring. So today I thought I would try to base all my decorating off this little blue bird. So we are going to go all blue. I've picked out some washi tape. I have some stickers that kind of have some ideas for me going, and we're just going to see what kind of comes of it. So that's where we're at. So going off that, I picked out these four, and I was kind of hoping this one would work, and I think it will because of the two colors of blue in the wings. So it doesn't have to match perfect, but I like it to look somewhat like it was supposed to be there, if that's possible. So I thought this washi tape was super cute. It has little flamingos on it, and it says "Stand firm in your faith." So I'm just gonna do my lines because I guess, I don't know, I've been into it this year a little bit more of covering up those amazing lines instead of leaving them. Many years I don't do it just because I feel like it's a lot of washi tape, but this year so far I've really been enjoying doing it. So I'm going to stick with that for now. I'm going to try to get this one a little further over. Oops. So that it can be complete. So let's trim this one up. Okay, so I'm going to be using kind of a conglomeration of stickers today from different books of the Happy Planner books. So you're going to see anything from the Faith book to the Memories book to, I'm going to have to look and see what the other two books are that I grabbed. Hold on. Try to tell you though, so if you're looking for those stickers, you can find them. Okay, one more row, maybe, if I get that one off me, and then we will be ready to rock and roll. I just like the way it kind of, I don't know, sections it off, and it's probably because this year I found that I'm using this particular calendar a lot for my business and planning, and having the sections just really, really works for me. And it kind of, I know, gives a little separation if I have different thoughts, and I generally only need the one box, so I can make different things out of that. So anyways, okay, so I have like, I wanted to do this quote, but I feel like it's just way too big for this planner. So we're going to try to pick a smaller one. I thought these blue were kind of pretty. Maybe I should stick that bird on there, huh? And then, I don't know. I know this has red in it, but I thought that was kind of cute. So reason, I'm going to look at Squad Life. Kind of an older book, but I like it. And then I also have the spring one. I know spring's not technically till the 20th, but why not? So maybe we'll find a quote in here instead of that big one. Let's see what I got. Give me all the sunshine. There's such, I love this book. More sun, please, but I don't want to go pink. I would be okay with going with black writing. Wouldn't that be cute, huh? Maybe we could incorporate that one with the bird. Feeling like I need to put that bird down sooner than later, because otherwise he's not going to have a spot. So that's Claude Monet. I must have flowers always and always. I feel that. I feel that. Flowers, spring, they all make me super happy. And then I wanted to grab one of these here, the to-do for here. So we're going to grab that and put that here because I like using this sidebar to keep things in line. And then we're going to put the bluebird down because he was the star of the show. So sometimes, you know, it's fun to do like the colors and try to place them all together, and other times it's fun to do like random colors. So like, I think it's the beauty of creativity. You get to do whatever kind of floats your boat, you know? Okay, so I'm going to use a couple of these dotted, but that's really purple. Man, it didn't look that purple till I pulled it. Go figure. Okay, let's see what else we got. I think I got a green one, but I don't know if I have more than one. So, you know, that might look a little weird, but we'll figure it out. All right, let's do this right here. just for like a little to-do list area. Ooh, I do not like the way I placed that. And that's the other beauty, is you can pull things and replace them if you don't like the way you did it the first time. I love that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Place it again, because my finger's moving. Oh man, I did it crooked again. And I'm going to cut this one off because it's a little long since I did the washi tape. Cut that right there. Then I'm going to see if I have one more of those, because I really do love that color on here. And again, this was from the spring book. Oh, they had all sorts of I missed. Let the beauty of what you love be what you do. I like that too. So fun. Okay, let's see if we can find one more of those strips. Kind of crazy if they only put one in the book, huh? I feel like Happy Planner always puts so many. Like I always end up having too many of those. Well, I could do pink because I put pink over here. So I guess we'll do that for Thursday. Maybe. We'll draw that all the way down and just trim off the bottom so it doesn't overlap as much. Okay. And then we need to add in some, thought I saw a couple boxes I wanted to use in this one. Put that one right there. Oh, actually, I take that back. I want to put it down here. Changed my mind. And then we'll take one of these pink ones. Actually, I want to do the bigger pink one. And we'll put that one in here. And then I was hoping there were some more boxes so we could use. Oh, I liked this. Just to remind myself of what needs to be focused on. Because, you know, there's two of them. So I was going to put the other one. Put it with the other pink. Okay, and then I have this box that I'm going to put right here, I think. My green is not sticking down. I have to redo that one. Okay. Ooh, crooked. Holy cow, crooked. Cool. Okay. And then I feel like it's lacking a little bit. So I like this saying. It says, be like a flower and reach for the sun. I feel like that's a very growth-oriented quote, which is, I think, good. And then, let's see. This is cute. It says best day. And I think we'll put that over here between the weekends and days because the weekends are the best day. I'm not real happy with the balance on this one. I gotta figure this out, so I'm gonna look for a flower or something, I think, to help bring in, I don't know, let's see. I got this little flower right here. If I can get it up, sometimes these really stick. There we go. The pink and blue flowers. Thinking, actually I'm going to separate them up. And we'll just put one at the top here. And we'll put one at the top here. And got a couple more I can throw in. And just trimming them really quick so that I can put them where I want them. And they look cute. So yeah, cool guys. So this is my spread for this week. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. Hopefully getting creative and making your own spreads. And I hope we'll see you again soon. Have a blessed day.